everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to give you my review and experience with Project Fi. For those of you that aren't familiar, Project Fi is a carrier from Google, meaning you can use their service from Google, which is a cell phone service, with your Nexus 6, Nexus 5X, or Nexus 6P. So this comes with a SIM card. You order it online. They send you the SIM card in the mail. You get the SIM card, pop it in your phone, and you're ready to go. And my phone I'm using is a Nexus 6P. So it's placed in here, and the phone prices and their plans are pretty reasonable. This phone is their more expensive phone, but you can get a pretty good deal on the lower end 5X, and this one is about a $450 to $550 phone, but no contract. So what you get is with Project Fi, let me unlock it here. With Project Fi, you've got one of their SIM cards, you pop it in place, and you're good to go. So if you see here, it says Fi Network, and what that means is this is a little bit more unique than most networks. And what I mean by that is this is an MVNO, so that means a carrier that's using someone else's cell towers. So Google is using T-Mobile cell tower, but it's also using Sprint's cell tower and now US Cellular's cell tower. And based on what service is best, this switches between all three. It's seamless and you don't notice it at all. You also stay on Wi-Fi. So you agree to stay on Wi-Fi and you use as little data as possible by doing that. And it really is very seamless and works great. I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. This is running Android N and it's the latest build and it's been working great with it. I ran it on Marshmallow as well to try it out and it's been just over a month. So let me show you the app here that you get. So this is the Project Fi app. And what you can see is my plan is $30. So I've got unlimited talk and text and 1 gig of data. And if I need more, I can just simply buy more at $10 per gigabyte. But here's the catch that's pretty neat. And I purposely used as little data as I could to see how this works. The catch is the data that you don't use, Google actually pays you back for. So as you can see right now, I'm at 0.8 gigabyte. That's my alert, but I'm at 0 gigabytes as far as usage goes. So if I go into details, you'll see that my current cycle, there's not a whole lot going on. It shows the different days I've used. So let's go back. And then down here, I've got different settings for voicemail, call forwarding, block numbers, service addresses, alerts, and privacy. So I can pick what alerts I want. I can go into privacy and turn on different things. And one of the neat things I can also do is get some support here, and it gives you an estimated wait time or 24 hours for email. So it's really neat. And then you simply have billing. And this is where it gets really good. So you can see it was projected to cost $33.87. It actually ended up costing me $27.34 because they actually paid me back some usage for the data I didn't use. So there's no rollover plan, anything like that. It just simply dumps back on the phone. And I thought this was a really great idea. And I just wanted to let you know, I didn't say this earlier, but this is not a paid advertisement. This is something I paid for to try out on my own just to see if it was any good. And I have to say it's pretty good. In my area, I have very good T-Mobile coverage. In fact, let me show you my iPhone that I've got here. And you'll see I've got a couple bars right there. And here I have pretty good signal as well. So I've always got usually 1 bar better signal, and that's somewhat to do with the Nexus, but 1 bar better signal than I do with the iPhone in T-Mobile coverage zones. But T-Mobile, for anyone that knows that's used this, T-Mobile actually doesn't work so great sometimes indoors, but when you've got Sprint available also, it just switches to whatever's more available. So I've never found this to be an issue whatsoever where I live anyway. And I live in the Charlotte area, so if you're in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, it actually works really, really well. I can't say that for the rest of the United States or anywhere else around the world, but it's pretty good. And it's got some other benefits too for international calling, things like that. So I think for the $30 or less than $30 a month that I paid, it would be really good if I didn't have a great family plan already with T-Mobile. However, this particular setup is probably best for someone that only has 1 device or maybe 2 devices and doesn't want to pay that $70 premium or whatever you're getting for having to pay monthly for your device in the United States. So I think it's really good. It works really well with this Nexus 6P, and it just switches. I haven't had any issues whatsoever, and everything seems to work great. I definitely recommend Project Fi, and the nice thing is if you don't like it, just cancel it. You can suspend it, you can cancel it, and there's no questions asked, anything like that. start it up the next month if you want to, and they'll just bill your credit card or whatever you've got it attached to. So it's really nice and it's easy to try out. You can order it from their website, and I'll leave a link in the description below. But like I said, I tried this on my own. It's not a paid advertisement, but I think it's definitely the way to go if you are really only just yourself and you've got this device. You can tether on it. You can actually get a separate data SIM that will use the same data, but you could put it in your iPhone and it will use data if you wanted to do that. And it will be attached to this plan as well. And that's free. They'll just ship that to you. So pretty nice there also. But if you've used Project Fi, I'd love to hear what you have to say about it in the comments below. If you've used it and you like it or you hate it, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.